your head. Feel that right there? Yep, that's a subluxation. That one right here. So relax, bring your head down like this.
Oh my God!
Power's on, homie.
Oh my God! Wow!